Hey, all you Forexers, welcome to the next module in the track section of our course, Master of the Open House. So do you think that we have increased our odds of meeting and converting more leads into buyers and sellers than the average real estate agent? Yes. Your odds are better than the stats. I have absolutely no idea how to do the math on this, but I know that the odds are better. Here's why I know. Let's use this example. If I'm playing one-man poker, okay? I have a deck and the dealer has a deck. We're playing against each other. This would never happen, by the way. But let's just say I was allowed in my deck to add an ace, a king, and a queen. I'm allowed to add an extra one into the deck, okay? I have a better chance when the cards are dealt, right? Now, what if I removed all the lower numbers? I took out all the 2s and the 3s and the 4s and the 5s, just took them right out, and I replaced them with queens, kings, and aces. And I get to bet on my hand before the flip. Now, the dealer that I'm up against is just playing with a regular deck. Who has a better chance of winning? This is what it's like. We are eliminating the parts of the business that are not fruitful. Just taking them right out of the deck. That's what we're doing.